На почеток за најактуелното, тензиите поврзани со барањето на судот за одобрување притвор за пратеникот на ВМРО ДПМН Трајко Велјановски, поранешен председател на Собранието. Спикерот Тало Џафери синоќа прекина седницата под нејасни околности. Пратеници на СДСМ како подпредседателот на партијата Мухамед Закири, но и пратеници од опозицијата како лидерот на Алијанса за албанците Зијадин Села го обвинуваат Џафери, а и Дуи за договор со ВМРО ДПМН да не му биде одземен имунитетот на Велјановски. За волја на вистината, ова не е прваков пример. Џафери ја отвори и никогаш не ја продолжи седницата за одземање на имунитетот на уште еден пратеник, екс-министер, тоа е Љупчо Димовски. Што е вашиот коментар за оваа ситуација?
Well, I would say, first of all, that this is obviously a situation that is being discussed among the parties in the parliament in Macedonia, as it should be. We have said, and many of your partners have said, that it is very important, not only for the citizens of North Macedonia, but also for your partners to have an accounting for the events of April 27th. There are new cases that the public prosecutor has opened, and they've requested the detention of the former Speaker of Parliament and a current sitting parliamentarian, Tрајко Велјановски. Both of these issues, the accountability for April 27th, but also the lifting of the immunity of a parliamentarian, are very important issues. They need due consideration. So I think this is taking place in your political system, and we'll see where they come out on this. This is a sovereign decision for the parliament to make. And so this needs to be weighed against the issue of accountability as well. I would say one observation, though, is that this is about the question of a detention, not a question of whether a case goes forward by the public prosecutor. That is the public prosecutor's decision. This is about simply the detention of a sitting member of parliament.
Нема да влезете во коментирање на алузиите за договори Дуи ВМРО ДПМН.
I'm not gonna. There are lots. I'm sure there are plenty of commentaries out there of what this means, who's talked to whom, and all of that. I'm not going to get into that. We're looking at the fundamental issues, that it is a serious matter, the detention of a parliamentarian. That is a serious matter. It is also a very important matter to have an accountability for the events of April 27th. That's what we look at.